YouTube, cornering the market for video sharing through innovation and strategic business decisions. Hi everyone, my name is Brian Bruno and we are on Group 5. And today we're going to talk about YouTube, not just a website most of us use every day, but as one of the most strategically successful digital platforms ever built. Our paper examines how YouTube went from a three-person startup in 2005 to the world's second most visited website and why no competitor has come close to knocking it off on the top. We're going to talk four pillars of dominance. YouTube's rise didn't happen by accidental. It was built on four key decisions. First, the open upload model, their broadcast yourself slogan, let anyone with an internet connection publish content, which eliminated traditional gatekeepers overnight. Second, the Google acquisition in 2006. Google paid 1.65 billion and gave YouTube the search, integration, infrastructure, and financial resources to scale globally. Third, the monetization framework, the partner program, super chats, and AD revenue sharing or advertisement revenue sharing turned content creation into a viable career path for millions of people, building creator economy that competitors simply can't replicate. And fourth, the recommendation algorithm, deep neural networks that personalize every viewer's experience, keeping users on the platform for billions of hours every month. That foundation gives YouTube real, durable strengths, over 2 billion monthly lag in users, built-in discovery through Google search, and a diverse revenue ecosystem for creators. But the platform isn't without problems. Content moderation at that scale is a constant struggle. That algorithm has been criticized for guiding users toward extreme content, and ad revenue remains heavily concentrated at the top. Most creators earn every little. Looking ahead, YouTube is betting on AI-powered tools, marketplace expansion, and live streaming to maintain its lead. But as CEO Neil Mohan put it, YouTube is the new television, and the company's long-term dominance will ultimately depend on whether it can address those platform governance challenges before they erode user trust. That's all, and thank you.